Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about multiplication of surd part 2. But before we go into details, I want to remind us of the rules of multiplication in surd. Root b multiplied by root b is b, root b multiplied by root c is root bc. Now today we are going to look at multiplication involving bracket using the following examples. That is question number 1 to 6. We'll now see how we can remove brackets from this expression, or simplify rather. Now going into detail, we are going to start with number 1. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 6 is root 12. Then we can simplify root 12 using the perfect square. This is 2 plus root 4 into root 3. So this is 2 plus 2 root 3. We've removed the bracket and likewise we have simplified. Now we move on to question number 2. 2 root 5 multiplied by 3 root 5. We do 2 times 3 is 6. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. Then 2 root 5 multiplied by 2 root 2. We do 2 times 2, that is 4. Then root 5 multiplied by root 2 is root 10. 6 times 5 is 30 minus 4 root 10. At this point, we have been able to simplify this first question and the second question. And in the process of simplifying, we have applied the rules guiding multiplication of surds. Moving on to question number 2. We have 2 brackets, so this is multiplying everything here. We can write it out as root 6 multiplying root 8 plus root 15. Then minus root 5 is also multiplying root 8 plus root 15. So we remove the bracket. Root 6 times root 8 is root 48. Root 6 times root 15 is root 90. Minus root 5 times root 8 is minus root 40. Minus root 5 times root 15 is minus root 75. We now simplify. This is root 16 multiplied by root 3. This is root 9 multiplied by root 10. And this is root 4 multiplied by root 10. And this is root 25 multiplied by root 3. We now simplify. Root 16 is 4, root 3, root 9 is 3, root 10, root 4 is 2, root 10, root 25 is 5, root 3. We bring similar surds together, so I can have 3 root 10 minus 2 root 10, then plus 4 root 3 minus 5 root 3. So this and this is root 10. This and this is minus root 3. We've been able to simplify question number 2. Then question number 4. This term is present here, is also here. This term is present here, is also here. The only difference is we have positive here and we have negative here. So I'm going to apply the principle of difference of 2 squared. So this is 4 root 3 whole squared minus 2 root 5 whole squared. 4 times 4 is 16. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. 2 times 2, 4. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. 16 times 3 is 48. 4 times 5 is 20. So 48 minus 20 is 28. We've been able to simplify question number 4. Moving on to question number 5, we are going to multiply 3 root 2 with everything here. So we have this minus root 6. We multiply everything here. So we have this. We simplify for that. This multiplied by this. 3 times 2 is 6. Root 2 times root 3 is root 6. This and this will be plus 3 multiplied by 2. This 3 is here. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Then we continue. This multiplied by this is minus 2 root 18. Then this multiplied by this is minus root 12. We simplify for that. This is 6 root 6 plus 6 minus 2. Root 18 is root 9 multiplied by root 2. Root 12 is root 4 multiplied by root 3. So this is 6 root 6 plus 6 minus 2 multiplied by 3, root 2. Root 9 is 3 minus 4, root 4 is 2, root 3. So we have 6 root 6 plus 6 minus 6 root 2 minus 2 root 3. We don't have any similar sort, so we'll leave the result like this. Getting here, we have this expression squared. It means 1 plus 3 root 3 multiplied by 1 plus 3 root 3. So 1 will multiply everything there, and 3 root 3 will also multiply everything here. So we expand. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times this is 3 root 3. Then we go further. Going further, this multiplied by 1 will be 3 root 3. Then this multiplied by this, 3 times 3 is 9. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. So this is 1 plus this and this is 6 root 3. 9 times 3 is 27. So 1 plus 27 is 28 plus 6 root 3. We've been able to expand this, and then we have simplified. In the process of simplifying, we have observed the rule guiding multiplication of surds. And we've been able to do question number 1 all through to question number 6. Thanks for watching.